Hey, welcome back. It's currently raining. It's been crazy. It's been insane. I wish I took a video of Saturday because we went out to dinner and we were all the way, we were in the far end of the parking lot to the restaurant, and we were like trying to sprint to the restaurant because of how crazy the rain was. Like, it was dumping. It was insane. It was pouring, dumping. The ground was not even just flooding, it was just a river. So it was kind of insane. Oh my gosh, hold on, you guys. This is my first vlog back as a 26-year-old, you guys. I just turned 26. It was my birthday last Sunday. No, 2 Sundays ago now. We went to Korean barbecue, like a fancy Korean barbecue in K-Town where they like cook for you. But yeah, my birthday was chill. We just hung out in Koreatown. And if you know K-Town and if you like bingsu, it's like a Korean dessert. It's like a shaved ice cream type of thing, like shaved ice. And my favorite there is the mango bingsu, and they use fresh, like sweet fresh mango. And I haven't had it all year. Like, it's been really hard. The last time I went, it was sold out. And then we went on my birthday and they're not getting their mango bingsu until next spring of 2026, which is insane. So we just got like a little matcha bingsu, but overall it was great. It was a cute, fun time. Halloween passed, my birthday. Now Thanksgiving's coming up, and I don't know, this year has just been very bland. It's been a bland year for me because I'm in nursing school and it's just draining the life out of me. Any chance I get to like hang out or do something with friends, like I'll take that opportunity, but it's very rare. Like, it's probably like once a month I go see my friends. Other than that, I'm working or I'm at school. Currently in microbiology. I'm just ready to be in like the core nursing classes. I want to get my nursing stuff out the way already, like for real. Like, I just want to get my degree and get out of here. Also, my coworker gifted me this, a walla. I was thinking of getting, oh shit. No, not my battery. Oh my god, okay. I was thinking of getting a new water bottle, a new Awala. And my coworker gifted me an Awala water bottle for my birthday. I'm gonna stop yapping and I'm gonna head to work now. Okay, I had to just stop and get myself like some caffeine. I got a Celsius. It's so bad though. I need to like chill. Like, I don't drink energy drinks all the time. Like, I only drink it if I need it, but today I just feel like I'm gonna need it. The rain picked up so much right now though. I just stopped at the gas station. It wasn't raining, and then I left and bought this just now, and it's pouring again. But thankfully I'm only like 5 minutes away from work right now, so I'm gonna go head over there. Okay, I'm gonna try to make an oat maple latte. Okay, so we don't have oat milk, but I'm just gonna use 2% milk. Hello. What you doing? Too much. Oops. Okay. This is what ended up happening. But I put a little bit too much of the furikake seasoning. It just kind of dumped out. But you know, we'll just take that off. Okay, I need to crack my eggs actually.